Hi there, Michelle here, also known as fancydinotparty, and today we're going to be doing a thrift flip. If you're new to my channel and you like sewing, crafting, and thrifting, why not subscribe? Alright, so we're going to do another thrift flip. This one is going to be a very doable, easy thrift flip. You don't need a sewing machine, maybe a little sewing knowledge, just a little tiny bit of sewing knowledge. Other than that, I think you're good to go. I mentioned this sweater in a previous thrift haul that I did a few weeks ago, and essentially it is just this adorable vintage green sweater with just a bunch of like patches on it, and I'm like, I can do that. I also have a lot of patches that I can do it with. Do have the sweater that I want to do. I didn't actually have to go out and buy it. I think I bought this like 2 years ago, so I'm very thankful I picked it up. The cardigan in question is just this one here. It is kind of like a forest green. It's very like heavily knitted, so it's gonna be warm in the winter. I'll be able to enjoy it. The brand is called Concept. It is a size medium. It has these beautiful brass buttons here, and ooh, they are made out of metal. They're not plastic buttons, which is great. What I do like about it is at the very bottom on here, it has these two cute little horsemen. I really like these horsemen. Part of me wants to put a patch on this, but the other part of me is like, you should just leave it because it's so cute. But let's be real, I haven't worn this sweater in quite some time, so why am I waiting to wear it with some type of horse outfit? Like, I'm not a horse girl. I don't think I've ever ridden a horse. I don't think I've ever felt comfortable around horses. I don't think I own anything horse related besides this little sweater here. So my goal is to take like all these patches and put them on here. I have learned my lesson from the last time that I did patchwork on, I think, my yellow sweater. Again, this was like in quarantine times. I don't even know what I was doing back then. And I thought I had the setting of my iron on high. It turns out it was the opposite, and I was wondering why it wasn't like heating, and it was because it was on super low fragile. I've learned that. I have two sides to me. I have this side to me, which is vintage, cute, adorable, and then I have my 2007 emo self, who wears skinny jeans, Vans, band t-shirts, graphic tees. It's just a constant war of what I'm going to wear. I kind of want to make this sweater kind of a mix of both of my aesthetics. So the patches that I do have, I have a few. So the ones I got from Hot Topic are, it's like this guy here. He's like, you know, it's death riding a cat. That's super cute. And then I got this one here, which is like a tarot card that says death, and it has a cat with a mouse in it. I also have this one here, which is a little coffin, and it's called See You Soon. I'm making these seem so much more adorable than they are, but I love them. Now, I used to love going to flea markets before everything happens, but now I just don't feel comfortable because there's so many people in them. There's not a lot of room to move around. When I did go, I ended up finding this cute little patch here. It's super adorable. It just says Girl Guides of Canada, and I was gonna put it on a hat. That never happened. And I did get it from this one shop called Look It Shop, and I follow her on Instagram. She has like such cute things. And then I also went to this other one. I can't remember which one it was, but she also had like these kind of like cute little patches. This one here, it says Trust No One. This one is Gravity Falls for me. It looks like it's from Gravity Falls, you know, like guy with a top hat and his arms, that guy. I absolutely love that show. And then this one here just says Out of This World, which is also really cute, and I'm pretty sure I had another one that was very similar to this, but I don't know where it is. The last two patches that I do have from my favorite place to order stickers and patches from, they have like clothing and they got bags, so many cute things, and everything is like so reasonably priced. I absolutely love it. And it is Stay at Home Club. I will link it below because honestly, I love all their things. All their things are so sad and depressing. I absolutely love it. And the two that I have right now is, this one is Too Bad, So Sad, and it is a tiger crying. I absolutely love this one. And then the other one just says The Worst Is Over, and it's a little ghost in a cemetery with, like, you know, the blue sky and the sun coming up. I'm probably not going to use all of them. I don't want it to be like heavily patched up, but also I want to have some room that if I find some more cool patches in the future, I can just add them on. Let's get into planning where I'm going to put the patches. So we're going to start off with the patches. Now on the back it actually says the like the directions and stuff like that. I have a bunch of these out, and I think I'm just going to start laying them. Also, this was the one that I forgot to show, and it just says I want to leave. I think is quite adorable, and I kind of want to like space them out. Okay, so what I did is I tried it on, and I actually took a photo of myself. It is a very bad photo of myself. But I took a photo of myself, and that's kind of how I want the patches. So I'm just gonna look over this. If you have even numbers of anything, nothing ever looks good, okay? Because then you're really trying to divide this way or this way to make everything look even, and nothing is ever gonna look even to me anyways. So your best bet is always do odd numbers. Do 3s, 5s, 7s. I think this is what I'm gonna go with. All right, I kind of plan where I want them. Now we are gonna go and deal with this one here. You're gonna do is you're gonna take your pillowcase, and I'm gonna do one by one. You're gonna take that, you're gonna put it over whatever you want to iron. You're gonna make sure it is on cotton, the highest one, 30 seconds, and then it also wants you to do with the inside as well. So right here is where it is, and we're just gonna count 30. All right, that's 30 seconds. Okay. Oh, look at it's stuck. Now it does tell you to do the opposite side, but I want to get this all done first, and then I'm going to go to the opposite side. So these are different ones, so let's see if it works. Okay, that one, it's sticking pretty well. Ooh, that stuck nicely. All right, that's pretty good. And then this one here, again, we just peel it back, and I'm just gonna stick it right there. Now that they're all ironed on, we are gonna iron the back of the patches now. All right, so if we look at it, this one, that one's good. This one, oof, a little bit there. Maybe if I go over that a bit. This one's kind of coming off too now. This one's good, and this one needs to get sewn. I'm going to let this rest. I am done with this for today. I think I might have to sew. This one definitely needs to be sewn on, and these two might have to be sewed on. But this, I like that, and I like that. You're gonna sit on all my things? You're gonna sit on my sweater that I'm working on, sweetheart? How about you sit over here instead, huh? Come on. Keep on trucking, keep on trucking. Oh, we have another kitten. Yeah, hi. Are you gonna be a little butt too? Oh, okay, you sit there then. Okay, so all the patches are done. I'm going to leave this one here because it is really, really on there. This is the one from Hot Topic. So if you buy Hot Topic patches, they're gonna stick to whatever you iron them to. So this one here, I do not actually have the same blue, so I have to go to Fabricland tomorrow, which sucks because I was already in Welland today and I could have picked it up. Here's the finished look. I think it looks pretty good. I really do like all these patches on here. I will in the future, I think, fill this with patches as well. But other than that, I don't think this looks too bad. I think this really does give off that vibe that I was going for from the photo. And I am really looking forward to finding more patches to stick to this. And that's my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, you know, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed but you like thrifting, crafting, and sewing projects, why not subscribe? You can also follow me on my Instagram, which is fancydinotparty, and I am basically just, you know, doing what I mentioned, sewing, crafting, and thrifting. And that's all I have for y'all, so y'all have a good one.